and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. We have got you all the latest news and updates from the blockchain technology world. But first, let's take a look at the headlines. Bitcoin up 1.6%, ETH trades above $1,300. Court rules CFTC legally served Ooki DAO through Hellbot. Bitcoin mining revenues down 16.2% in September. Ethereum mining staking revenues declined more than 50% in September. A16Z leads $40 million funding for Web3 data protocol Golden. Binance signs MOU with Kazakhstan to fight financial crime. Bored Apes' Otherside builder Improbable eyes fresh funding at $3.6 billion valuation. Rare David Bowie NFT collection with FEWOCIOUS sells for $127,000. Crypto venture capital firm Paradigm leads $14 million funding round for DeFi platform Exponential. UK shuts down temporary crypto company licensing program. Bitcoin miner Merkle increases hash rate by 900% in 8 months. Value-buying investors who have been closely monitoring macroeconomic developments and central bank policy moves drove cryptocurrency prices higher on Tuesday. However, Bitcoin continues to trade in a very narrow range, up by 1.6% at $19,551, falling 1.5% in the last 7 trading sessions. The entire crypto market volume surged by 21% to $52.9 billion in the last 24 hours after dipping by 1% on Monday as the US currency maintained its strength. The worldwide crypto market capitalization increased by 1.6% to $941 billion. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 2%, trading at $1,320. IC15 index of cryptocurrency was trading up by 1.4% at 28,203 points. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission can serve a decentralized autonomous organization through a website, help bot, and forum post, a federal court ruled Monday. The CFTC appropriately served Ooki DAO, which it alleges offers illegal leveraged and margined trades without a futures commission merchant designation or Know Your Customer program on September 22, 2022. The District Court for the Northern District of California further ruled. The DAO has 3 weeks to respond from the date, meaning if no one responds by October 30, the CFTC could win a default judgment. The ruling came the same day a group of crypto lawyers and developers filed to join the CFTC's case against Ooki DAO, claiming the regulator's efforts to hold the DAO's members individually liable in denying them the ability to respond. The CFTC sued Ooki DAO last month on allegations that as an unincorporated association, it violated federal laws around offering leveraged and margin trading products by refusing to register as a futures commission merchant and by not having a Know Your Customer program. According to a report by Block Research, the revenue from Bitcoin mining dropped 16.2% in September to around $550.5 million, marking the 6th consecutive month of declines and the lowest sum since November 2020. Bitcoin miners generated $550.5 million in revenue in September, which is about 1.56 times more than Ethereum miners and stakers combined. Only a minor fraction of Bitcoin mining earnings came from transaction fees, and the majority came from the block reward subsidies. The proportion of Bitcoin transaction fees to overall income slightly increased to 1.6%. The network hash rate grew roughly 10.4% over the month of August and 0.6% during September. Revenues from validating Ethereum transactions more than halved in September as the network transitioned from proof of work to proof of stake. Miners and staking validators combined made $406.86 million, down by roughly 51.7% month over month, according to data compiled by the Block Research. The merge was successfully completed halfway through the month of September 15, effectively putting an end to transactions validated by miners who primarily ran graphics processing unit hardware. It was replaced with staking, whereby validators deposit tokens which require far less computing power and energy. The merge reduced the new issuance of ETH significantly, which had a negative impact on miners and staking revenue. Most of these revenues came from the miner subsidy of around $299.85 million and a smaller amount from staker revenue of around $72.02 million. Transaction fees amounted to $22.28 million and from Uncle rewards of $12.7 million. Web3 data startup Golden has raised $40 million in a Series B round led by the crypto arm of noted venture capital firm Andreessen Horowitz. According to a post on the company's website, the capital, which brings total funding up to $60 million, will help Golden build its decentralized and incentivized data protocol. The Golden protocol is currently in testnet with the mainnet launch planned for the second quarter of 2023. Other investors in the round included Protocol Labs and its founder Juan Bennett, Solana blockchain founder Raj Gokul, and Dropbox co-founder and ex-chief technology officer Arash Ferodsky, among others. International cryptocurrency exchange Binance has signed a memorandum of understanding with Kazakhstan's Financial Monetary Agency as part of its global law enforcement training program. The program, which includes representatives from regulatory and law enforcement organizations from around the world, aims to strengthen industry collaboration with national and international law enforcement in the fight against financial crimes and cybercrime. The program also aims to identify and block illegally obtained digital assets that are used to launder criminal proceeds and finance terrorism. Improbable, a gaming technology startup, is set to raise $111 million in new funding as it seeks to create Metaverse worlds for buzz Web3 firm like Bored Ape Yacht Club creator Yuga Labs. The latest round would value the company at $3.36 billion, up from its last $2.8 billion valuation in 2018. According to documents, the company recorded a $170.4 million loss in 2021, which left it with $63.9 million in the bank as of the end of last year. A non-fungible token in the Bowie Estate's exclusive collection with OpenSea sold on Monday night for 96.5 ETH or about $127,000. The David Bowie Estate partnered with top NFT marketplace OpenSea to sell Bowie on the blockchain, a 15-piece NFT collection to commemorate the British pop legend and the colorful motifs used throughout his career. The collection, initially listed on the marketplace on September 30th, features artwork from 9 artists across the NFT landscape. The collection highlights created by 19-year-old NFT artist FEWOCIOUS features an animated video clip paired with a physical 7-foot-tall sculpture wearing one of Bowie's custom suits from his archive. Other NFTs in the collection have so far sold for between 3 ETH worth $4,000 to 7.5 ETH worth $9,800. Investing firm Paradigm, which specializes in cryptocurrencies, led a $14 million seed funding round for Exponential, a decentralized finance investment discovery and risk assessment platform. An institutional-grade risk assessment system on the Exponential platform examines a user's current investment for potential risk in the underlying protocol, assets, and blockchains. Horn Ventures, the venture capital arm of cryptocurrency exchange FTX, the Solana and Polygon blockchain, and the investment arm of USDC stablecoin issuer Circle were among the other participants in the funding round. Last week, digital trading app Revolt registered with the UK's top financial regulator, bringing to an end the temporary registration regime, a program that allowed crypto companies to operate in the country while they are waiting for full regulatory approval. Revolt was the only company from the 5 that were left on the list to qualify for full registration. According to a Financial Conduct Authority spokesperson, companies looking to operate in the United Kingdom must now go through a thorough registration process with the agency. However, cryptocurrency businesses have been dissatisfied with the FCA's application processing time. Some businesses withdrew from the process last year due to these delays. The UK government declared its intention to establish the nation as the global crypto hub in April, and Liz Truss' administration reaffirmed its commitment to this goal. In the same month, the FCA declared that it had been critical of cryptocurrencies and wished to proceed with caution. It has since held several crypto sprints to hear from the digital asset sector. Only 5 businesses have succeeded in registering since April, despite the regulator's best efforts to assist the cryptocurrency industry. Bitcoin miner Merkle Standard increased its total computing power or hash rate to 3.1 exahash from roughly 0.3 EH per second over the past 8 months through a joint venture with Bitmain, one of the largest manufacturers of Bitcoin mining equipment. The privately held miner has brought an additional 40 megawatts of mining capacity in its South Carolina facility, bringing its total mining capacity to 140 megawatt, according to a statement on 3rd October. That's all in the bulletin for now. Keep watching 3.0 TV.